Take a ride in the 2011 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, rear spoiler, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, leather trim seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.